What's up everybody? Welcome to I Speak Organized. In today's video, I'm going to take you through various different spaces in my own home to show you 10 of the best organizing and home storage solutions of 2021. It is nearly impossible to choose just 10, but I wanted to show you the best of the best and the most innovative and the most efficient storage solutions that I have found that I like to use in my own home, as well as recommending to all of my clients. If you're curious to see what my top 10 picks are, then stick around and let's get into it. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. What does that even mean? Welcome back everybody. If you're new to my channel, then allow me to introduce myself and welcome you into the speaker fam. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer, productivity-based life coach, and decluttering expert. I like to speak organized to give you the tools and confidence to conquer your clutter for good. If you love all things home organizing and decluttering, as well as productivity practices and motivation techniques, then you have come to the right place and I'm happy to have you here. I'm cranking out videos every single week on all those subjects, so be sure to smash that like button, comment down below and say hello, introduce yourself, and then tap the little notification bell so that you never miss another new opportunity to learn something new about organizing and productivity. And be sure to watch this video until the very end because I have a couple of very special offers just for you. So stick around so you don't miss them. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna start in the bedroom, and the first product is this necklace organizer. And I love it because you can see everything that you have inside at a glance, and it keeps the dust away. So whenever you want to clean it, it's really simple to just take a cloth and wipe it down. You just kind of pull it up like that to grab the necklace that you need. I mean, obviously it's pretty self-explanatory, but this makes storage really easy. It makes it pretty, it makes it accessible. I'm not forgetting what I have, and I love it. You can get it on Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. All right, now we are in the girls' bedroom, and I'm going to show you what's inside the drawer here. And I've talked about these before, and they still remain one of my favorite drawer organizing systems, and it's these little drawer inserts. And I like these actually way better than standard drawer dividers, the bamboo or the plastic ones, because they are a lot more affordable and they come in different sizes and colors, so if you want to go that extra mile and color coordinate, you can. And you can also use shoe bins or clear plastic bins. They kind of achieve the same function, and I really like these because you can fit them in just about any space. I'll see if I have larger ones. Oh yeah, and then they also come in this sort of larger size as well. These work great for kids' clothes in particular because they're so small, and we're able to just keep everything pretty well organized. I didn't go through and organize these drawers before filming this, but you can see even so, it kind of helps keep the order here. And especially in this drawer where I have clothes for both my girls, it's really easy to open the drawer and dump and go. Next up, we are heading into the laundry area, and this is a pocket treasures bin from AJA and More. These guys are a great company. They're a small US-based business. I've spoken to them on the phone a few times. They're really, really nice people, and they make all kinds of custom laundry room accessories. They have a great bin that is for dryer sheet. These are magnetic, and they come in a few custom colors that can accent your laundry area. Okay, and then up here, pull this down. I have this essential oil tray in this little bin here, and I use a lot of these for cleaning and also to put drops on the dryer balls. And these come in 3 pieces. Let's see if I can move these and show you. They kind of come apart like that, and then you can nest them together inside of a drawer or on a countertop. They work really well to keep your essential oil bottles from rolling around in a drawer on a countertop. Okay, bathroom next. going underneath the bathroom sink to show you guys this Made Smart 2-tier drawer organizer. And this is such a cool product. I'll see if I can take this out here so you can see it a little bit better. Don't really have much in the drawer right now. All right, so this is where I keep my sort of everyday cleaning products. There's a little space on the front here to put labels, which I love. And then there's also these little dividers, and each of these bins is perforated so you can choose where you want to put the insert and make it totally custom. And it maximizes vertical space, especially important when you're working underneath a bathroom sink with all the pipes. As you can see, it's such a pain. And it fits perfectly in there because it's super slim. Okay, now we're gonna look at this. This is my makeup brush organizer. And I don't have anything in these little drawers right here, but one of the things that I like to do for clients and for myself is not fill every space just because it's there. So this way I have an automatic home or a landing place for something should I need it, right? And this again is a really cool design. It holds the brushes straight up and down with the pearls, so it's functional and pretty. Easy to label, easy to clean. It's a little bit dusty right now, but not really anything that I have to worry too much about because it's super easy to take care of and maintain. Okay, now we're gonna go in the kitchen. I have not organized this drawer, but it stays pretty well organized nonetheless. So this is the SpaceAid drawer divider with little inserts, and I've talked about these before. I will link to the video where I review 3 awesome products from SpaceAid. They do a lot of kitchen organizing products, and this is by far my favorite one. And you have these inserts that are in a couple of different sizes, and you can kind of plug and play in any way that you want to really make this system custom to your needs, and it will fit in just about any drawer. And it's perfect for separating out and creating categories for all of the little kitchen gadgets that we have. Let's go inside the cabinet where I keep pots and pans. Whoop. Okay, this organizer right here is from Berry Ave, and it is by far the best pot and pan and lid organizer I've ever used. I pulled some of the pans out so you can see this a little bit better. So this whole unit is adjustable. You can make it shorter or longer depending on what you need. And then all of these inserts are adjustable as well. Absolutely genius. And all of these inserts have the dips in the middle so they can hold pot lids as well. You know you have a good storage solution when you can put things away or take them out with just one hand. Okay, and finally we're gonna finish up back in the bedroom. Technically this is linen or linen closet storage, and I have demoed both of these products from these companies, so I will pop those videos up on screen while I describe this to you. And the first one is from Chaos Clear, the one on the left here, and it is an under bed storage organizing bag, and they also have just regular linen storage bags as well that are great for big, heavy, bulky items that need to go in storage. And I like the bags over bins because they're a little less limiting in terms of what you can fit in there. You can fit some more odd shaped items without having to worry about it. You can kind of customize what you keep in them a bit easier. And the one thing that's really great about these is they have a little viewing window that makes it easy to see what is inside. And then this is a really interesting product that I was fortunate enough to test, and I'll pop that video up on screen. This is a LinenMate, and it stores all of your sheets and other blanket linens really easily. It's kind of one of those products that helps you fold and store, which is super smart. And then you can actually store your sheets or whatever linens you're using in there vertically, which is super smart. Okay, speaker fam, that's gonna wrap it up. thank you so much for sticking around until the very end. I really hope that you got value out of this. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below and let me know which of these 10 products is your favorite. Don't forget to treat yourself. Scroll down through that description area and snag yourself a discount for anything that you want to try. And of course, here are my exclusive special offers just for you for watching this video. If getting organized is one of your 2022 New Year's resolutions, then you definitely need to check out this video right here. This is my decluttering roadmap. I break down my entire signature 6-step process to getting control of any space. It doesn't matter if it's a garage or items on your to-do list or your closet or whatever. This is what I teach to all of my clients to help them declutter and organize, even if they're feeling super overwhelmed. And as an added bonus for you, I have included a link in the description below where you can go and download your own exclusive copy of the roadmap. It'll be sent straight to your inbox, my gift to you. Lastly, I am launching a brand new free challenge in January called the Productivity Pick Me Up and my Killer Laundry Routine mini course. You can click the link down below in the description area to join the waitlist for more information about either of those courses. I'll be sending out emails to my whole list very soon. Beyond all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.